is unplanned, unwanted, and has a potential of injury. Like you are going in a pedestrian way and somebody says, it is like that you are sitting in this particular beautiful Senate hall and if some false ceiling falls, right? Now, definition comes again. What is an accident? Unwanted, unplanned, but controllable. If you recall the Bhopal and the Jaipur accident, but which disrupts the work process, cause injury, death, damage to the property, equipment, material, and all those things. So remember one rule of thumb, that is all accidents have a cause and effect. Going back to this particular figure again. Now this time, this box fall down to that particular gentleman, right? Now at this particular juncture, there is again analysis. The analysis is that because if this particular gentleman got injury, then what happens? There are so many factors. One is that he will be away from his workplace, somebody has to take care, again the medical compensation, and there are so many things attributed. You can think it is a clustering effect. Now then, the first thing should come into the mind is that whether it is predictable or preventable, obviously. Engineering perspective says answer is yes. But this event was unexpected, unintentional, could be controlled, it can be termed as an accident because of this thing. Now there are so many examples like preventable, avoidable hazards should always be prevented. There are a clear pathway workplace, wearing heat proofs. I mean, you can say that the barriers, like if you are moving to the roadside through scooter or car, always you wear the seat belt and other things, all kind of things. They are to prevent the accidents. And usually thermal clothing and all those things are there. I'm not going to detail. Now, the crust is that you need to understand the accident. If you recall, that is why I gave two examples, the big example in Indian context, the Bhopal gas tragedy and the Jaipur tragedy. Accidents usually have two things in common. One is that accident always leads towards some outcome. And each accident arises through one or many contributing factors. Recall Bhopal gas tragedy. There are so many, you can say, the outcomes. Still, we are struggling. Now, another thing come into the picture that the gene structure has been changed to the most populated zone. And you see, the sad part is that still that 67.2 acre land abhi tak wo saaf nahi ho pai. The only thing you might have read in the newspaper that the 1,000 and 1,000 kilograms of this unspent chemicals, now the government of Madhya Pradesh and central government, they are disposing it. But what happened to the groundwater, what happened to the soil, everything is in question. So again, coming back, that employers, not the employee, they should investigate an incident to determine the root cause, right? And these incidents sometimes in the chemical industry called the near misses. You just escape from the accident. So you remember the Titanic movie, right? The Kate Winslet, etc. I hope that was a very romantic movie. I'm not going to that romance, but the thing is that this type of iceberg was there. I tried to. Now here you see